students. Our next chapter is combustion and flame. As we all know, energy is needed for many of our domestic as well as industrial activities. So from where this energy is obtained? Actually, the needed energy जो हमें हमारे इंडस्ट्रियल और डोमेस्टिक पर्पज के लिए चाहिए, it is obtained from burning the substances such as coal, petrol, kerosene, etc. तो जो एनर्जी है that gives us what? Combustion. So what is combustion? The combustion is a chemical process or chemical change. How? For example, when you burn the wood, you will get what? Carbon dioxide, water and energy. तो एनर्जी क्या हुई? इवॉल्व हुई. एंड दिस होल प्रोसेस इज ए केमिकल चेंज. तो कंबशन क्या है? एक केमिकल चेंज है. अगर इसकी डेफिनेशन की बात करें तो व्हाट इज कंबशन? बोलते कंबशन इज ए प्रोसेस इन विच सब्सटेंसेस, different types of substances burn and catch fire in the presence of air or oxygen to give heat and light, and this whole process, this whole reaction is known as combustion. आपने बताया कि during this reaction heat and light is given off. That's why this is also known as exothermic reaction. This is known as exothermic reaction, जिसमें क्या है? हीट और लाइट इवॉल्व हो रही है. एग्जाम्पल बोलते हैं when charcoal burn in the presence of air, एयर में क्या प्रेजेंट है? ऑक्सीजन, to give carbon dioxide plus heat. In this case, on the product side, new substance is formed. It is again a chemical process. Similarly, when methane CH4 bonds in oxygen, it will gives you carbon dioxide, water plus heat. So this is again chemical change or combustion. So there are so many reactions which undergo combustion. Now depending on the substance, means which substance burn in the presence of oxygen or not, substances are divided into two types. The first type is the combustible substance. Combustible substances या substance. So these are those substances which burn or catch fire in the presence of oxygen are known as combustible substance. In other words, you can say those substances which support combustion are known as combustible substance. There are so many examples of combustible substances like paper, dry grass, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. And second is the non-combustible substance. Non-combustible substances, as its name suggests, these are those substances which do not burn or catch fire in the presence of air, are known as non-combustible substances. In other words, you can say these are those substances which do not undergo combustion, are known as non-combustible. तो क्या एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इसकी? आपका स्टोन, आपकी ब्रिक्स, आपका सीमेंट, सॉइल, सैंड एक्सेट्रा, all are related or all are classified as the non-combustible substances. Okay. Students, our next topic is conditions necessary for combustion. First condition is this, that जो आपने substance लिया है that is combustible in nature. वो substances जो easily burn कर लेते हैं, carry कर लेते हैं, catch कर लेते हैं fire को, those are combustible substances. It means the presence of, first point is presence of combustible substance. जो आपका substance है वो burn हो जाए, easily fire को catch कर ले, तो वो किस चीज़ के लिए necessary है? For combustion. Now second is the, as we all know, air is needed for what? Combustion. तो वो एयर क्या एक्ट कर रही है? एक मीडियम एक्ट कर रही है to take place the combustion, that is the supporter. Now second point is presence of supporter. supporter कौन एक्ट कर रहा है? एयर, ऑक्सीजन जो एयर के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, बट देयर आर ऑल्सो सम गैसेस विच डोंट सपोर्ट कंबशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी नाइट्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन है, दीज आर दी नॉन सपोर्टर्स, पर हमें यहाँ क्या चाहिए? सपोर्टर. थर्ड पॉइंट इज जितने भी ऑल दी कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस दे burn or catch fire in the different manner. Why? Because all those substances have its own ignition temperature. Now question is this: what is ignition temperature? What is that lowest temperature at which any substance catches fire or start burning is known as its ignition temperature. So third is the presence of substances having its own ignition temperature. Now on the basis of this ignition temperature, substances are further divided into two types. मीन्स कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस हैं जिनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर लो है, कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस हैं जिनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर हाई है. तो उसके बेसिस पे फर्स्ट इज द इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंसेस. दीज आर दोज सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच हैव लो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. मीन्स दोज सब्सटेंसेस which can easily burn or catch fire are known as inflammable substances. जो आपने combustible substances में examples पढ़ी वो इसमें easily add up हो जाएंगी. For example आपने बताया था paper, dry grass, kerosene, petrol, etc. Second is the flammable substances. These are those substances which have high ignition temperature. Means these are those substances which burn or catch fire with difficulty. वो easily burn नहीं होंगे, are known as flammable substances. Such as जैसे आपका कोल है, इसमें आता है, आपके flammable substances में आता है. तो आपने क्या करा? Conditions बताई. There are three conditions: presence of combustible substance, presence of supporter, and presence of substances which have its own ignition temperature. Ignition temperature पे they are further divided into two types: inflammable and flammable substances.